Hello viewers, hope you are doing good. I'm here with a new amazing video to introduce an amazing project to you. The project is CarX, but before going ahead, the most important thing to keep in mind is that you are always advised to do proper research before investing anywhere or consult with your financial advisor. So viewers, let's have a brief introduction of the project. CarX token is the CarX ecosystem-owned utility token, which implies a different condition for interacting with services and function with this ecosystem. Also, the token provides exclusive benefit for all CarX holders. As a global investing payment and financial ecosystem, CarX bridge the gap between banking and crypto through the provision of a comprehensive set of product and services. It aimed at everyone, everywhere. It builds state-of-the-art solutions that cover all banking, trading, and financial products in one place, making them suitable for both retail and corporate clients. With the fiat to crypto and crypto to fiat services and its support of over like 177 currencies, everyone can easily exchange, trade, or make payment to third parties and businesses. Also, CarX has following products like it has exchange, OTC, liquidity hub. So next we have the token distribution plan of the company. Total supply of the token is 500 million round in round 1 was a private sale round started on 25th September 2021 and 50 million token issued on 25th October 2021. 50 million token issued at the rate of $0.7. In pre-sale round, in public sale round, 150 million token will be issued at the price of $1. The collected funds will be used according to following percentage. 45% will be allocated for the development of the ecosystem products. 10% of the total pool is kept reserved to bear the cost of uncertain events. 35% is for making purpose, and remaining 10% will be used for the legal support to get license in different regions. Here we have the roadmap of the project. The project is early stage in the third quarter of the current year. KRRX coin smart contract created and tested on the Tron network. An initial KRRX sale private round completed in the last quarter of the year. Following things completed and some are in pipeline, like token integration into KRRX exchange. Pre-sale round on the CarX platform and cross-sale on 2 external exchanges. In the last quarter of the year, following things completed and some are in pipeline, like token integration into KRX exchange. Pre-sale round on the CarX platform and cross-sale on 2 external exchanges is ongoing, and the company is looking forward for adding KRX coin staking to the referral program in the first quarter of the coming year. Along with the company will launch the KRX listing platform and access the KRX holders, provision of trade ideas and multi-accounts management. Access to KRX holder is expected in the coming year. In the coming year, surely the project will reach on its desired stage. So the pre-sale will end in about 1 day and 5 hours at 29th of November 2021. If you can purchase the token here after do your own research. Also, you can join their Telegram and ask admin for extra confirmation or anything cross your mind. The project will go much further in the future because the team working in it is very strong and capable. The following team members are playing crucial role in achieving the required level of performance, like Mr. Victor Koshev, COE and founder of the project. Mr. Michael Romanko is the co-founder, having 7-year financial market experience. Dr. Adriano Sifai is head of legal department. Ms. Victoria Shipka held the role of director of finance and operation with the Society General Equipment Leasing Ukraine. For more than 10 years, she was also the CFO of SEB Life Insurance Ukraine, and tax consultant at Deloitte. Mr. Admiral William owns James A. Ray, Jake Atchie, and Mr. Steven Simpson are the member of board. So you can get your unique access to the Unbound CarX ecosystem by purchasing KRRX token and take full ecosystem advantage if you want. Viewers, you can visit their social media accounts and visit their website for further detail. Their social media accounts detail is below the website. I'll provide all the links in the description box. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box. If you like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel for further updates.